Hello guys, hello, how are you? This is your boy Benji254 and I'm back again. So in today's video, I'm actually coming to you. Guys, thank you for helping me to get to the 500 subscription mark. I'm now at 500 subscribers. Woo! Yeah, we are halfway the journey. Yeah, so guys, thank you for subscribing. For those who have tuned in, I know I've tried my best. I usually try my best to post videos. Consistency is not that easy, but thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for believing me. It means a lot because at the end of the day, all of us start from somewhere, and it's a milestone actually. 500 subscribers. It's been a journey since 2019. Vile sijakuwa consistent, but thank you for helping me to come this long way. So nimekuja kutembea leo. Just to nasema aje, nimetembea tu nijibambe, and then I just realized of all the days, leo nimetoka na sikuvaa viatu. Nilikuwa nimevaa slippers na nimechoma big time man, nimeburnt. So today nimetembea nikapata sikupaka miguu mafuta na nimevaa ulipo, so nimefika nikapata mguu ziko white zimeparara, and then this is hii ndio time yenye kila mtu anakuangalia kwa like look at these legs. But anyway guys, so hopefully very soon when you get to the threshold ya monetize or something, maybe we'll get ourselves a car, and then we'll be walking around. So if you have watched my previous videos lately, so far nimeenda Ruiru. I've shown you Ruiru market. I'm just showing you around, and then we went to Ngong. And Ngong actually is a nice place. Tulikuwa tunasikia Ngong is a nice place for how do you call it? Watu kubai manyumba za kwenda kuishi, but yeah, actually it was a nice experience. And what else? Yeah, so I'll keep doing those episodes. So if you want me to come to your place, if you want me to come to some place that you maybe Thika. Actually, I was thinking of going to Thika, either Thika or Utawala, and I wanted to go there today, but I don't know. I just felt like maybe I can just find someone. I know people will come to my inbox, those friends of mine. Yeah, and then I'll choose. So if you know Utawala very well, I'll come and then we just walk around. If there's something nice that we can see, and even recommend for viewers, like okay, I just want us to see kama mtaa fulani ni poa kwa kuishi. Yeah, so far Ruiru, actually Ruiru is I can say the best, lakini watu wa Central si mnavuta sigara. Wow. Yani in Ruiru lately, you walk anywhere, unatoka tu unaingia kwa nyumba kwa unanuka sigara tu. Yani people are smoking badly. Anyway, tafadhali mtubu. Yeah, and in Ngong by the way was serene. In Ruiru bado sijaingia zile maposh estates, nilitembea tu kwa town center. Yeah, so I'm thinking of going to Utawala and Thika very soon. So if you want to join me, I don't know how you'll find me. Just find a way of getting me. And then like if you want me to come to your area, just link up, and then I'll just come, we walk around, tuone kama tunaweza kula nyama choma. Yeah, and anyway, thank you. So for this video, I was coming to tell you that I'm at 500 subscribers. We are halfway the journey, and thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Wherever you watch this video, please subscribe. And for the subscribers, just turn on the notification bell, and whenever you watch the video, please make sure to like it so that it can reach more. I want us to have a journey, and I want us to see growth. Yeah, so keep subscribing if you are new to this channel, and yeah, like the videos as you watch. Thank you and bye.